Dr. Monica, you can start.
Yeah. So good morning to you all. On behalf of the Department of Textile Technology, the course coordinators, Professor Vinay Medda and myself, Monica Sekka, we would like to welcome you to the 5-day faculty development program on textile design, which is sponsored by Atal Academy. Hope you all are keeping safe and have got vaccinated for COVID-19. In these unprecedented times, with the constant guidance and support of our worthy director, Professor Lalit Kumar Avasthi, the Institute has conducted a series of Atal programs in the recent past, and the Department of Textile Technology has also conducted a program earlier on apparel design in this series. This particular course on textile design has been fabricated to encompass all the designing related aspects of traditional and technical textiles. And for this, we have a gamut of experts who would be sharing their knowledge with you in these over these 5 days. So I hope you have an enriching experience and all your expectations from the course are fulfilled. Before I invite the other course coordinator, Professor Vinay Medda, to say something about the course, I would also like to appreciate the overwhelming response that we have received for the course and wish you a fruitful and engaging experience, which would prove beneficial for your future ventures. Thank you, and over to you, Dr. Medda.
Yeah, thank you, Dr. Monica. Honorable Director, Professor L.K. Avasthi, Deans, Heads of the Departments, eminent speakers, and dear participants, I extend you all a very warm welcome for this faculty development program on textile design being organized by the Department of Textile Technology, NIT Jalandhar, under Atal Academy from 9th to 13th August 2021. We are thankful for getting this overwhelming response, as already been told by Dr. Monica, that we have received 157 participants for this program throughout the various institutions throughout the country. And the Atal Academy has become a greatest platform in disseminating the knowledge to masses, and we are fortunate to be a part of this process. And this is the second faculty development program organized by Department of Textile Technology in this year. And this time we are organizing it on textile design. As we all know that the textiles have been in use since ancient times, but now the spectrum of textile has changed and it has become widened, the scope has widened, and it has gone to many other applications where the functional requirements have become more important than the aesthetics and the colors, which we have been discussing earlier. And even in certain cases on the traditional textiles, if we see for the apparels also, the requirements have changed. Some of the functional requirements like the antibacterials or crease resistant requirements have already been incorporated into the apparel textiles. And for the purpose of designing all these particular textiles in a better manner, a proper understanding of all the materials which can be utilized for designing the fabrics, and the processes of yarn manufacturing, fabric manufacturing, and even coloring and dyeing are required. And for this purpose, we have designed this particular program to cover all these particular topics during the next 5 days with the help of the eminent speakers within the country and from outside abroad also. And I hope you will enjoy these deliberations and you will be able to benefit from these deliberations over these 5 days. And in the end, I would like to thank our director, Professor L.K. Avasthi, for providing all the support to the department for organizing such programs, Atal Academy for giving funds for organizing this particular program, and the eminent speakers who have been a part of the NIT Jalandhar in earlier programs also, and this time also they have spared time to be a part of this program. And in the end, all the participants for giving this beautiful response to the program. Thank you very much, everybody. Hope you will enjoy this program. Thank you, Dr. Monica. You can start.
Thank you, Dr. So I would now request the head of the department, Dr. A.K. Chaudhary, to express his views.
Good morning to everyone. Monica.
There's some issue with your audio, Chaudhary sir.
I am audible.
Those who are not talking, they should mute. Monica, you should mute.
I am able to monitor.
आप अपना वीडियो ऑफ कर दीजिए।
Monica, mute every participant. Mute every participant.
I'm audible, Monica ma'am?
हाँ चलो साहब ठीक है, आपकी वॉइस ठीक है,
आ रही है आवाज?
आ रही है।
So, good morning to everyone. I welcome you, all of you, to the FDP course on textile design. My sincere thanks to Professor Lalit Kumar Awasthi, Director NIT Jalandhar, to provide his precious time for this inaugural ceremony. Without his support, it is not easy to organize such event in the department. I especially appreciate the efforts made by Dr. Vinay Midha ji and Dr. Monica Sikka, coordinator of this FDP course, for organizing this event in the department, our department. In this Atal FDP course on textile design, we will have various lectures from the eminent professor, scientists and industry professionals like NIT Jalandhar, IIT Delhi, NIP Mohali, and University of Thailand, and also the professional from Tukatek Industries. In this course, we have received more than 150 participants across the country, whole country, north, south, east, west, and almost from all the university involving in teaching of textile, fashion, garment, and apparel engineering or technology. So I hope in this course, during this five-day course of this FDP on textile design, you will have gathered a good knowledge on textile design, fashion design. So thanks to everyone, and thanks to our Honorable Director, Dr. L.K. Awasthi, and thanks to our coordinator of this course, Dr. Vinay Midha and Dr. Monica Sikka. Thanks to everyone. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. And now over to Monica Sikka.
Thank you, Dr. Chaudhary. So as mentioned earlier, our worthy director, Professor Lalit Kumar Awasthi, has always been a pillar of strength and encouragement for all of us. And the zeal with which he works around the clock actually pushes all of us to deliver our best. The Institute has seen unprecedented rise in its reputation in the last few years. And we are really thankful to you, sir, for being a part of this inaugural session. And I would request you now to kindly address the participants with your kind words.
Good morning and greetings from NIT Jalandhar. Dr. Chaudhary, Head of Department Textile, Dr. Vinay Midha, and Dr. Monica Sikka. I would like to congratulate the department for taking this initiative and organizing the Atal FDP on textile design. I think design is an aspect which itself speaks about innovation. So I'll take a couple of minutes in introducing the institute. This institute came in 1987 as Regional Engineering College, Jalandhar, and later on it was rechristened as Institute of National Importance by Act of Parliament. Institute is having more than 11 undergraduate courses and then 16 PG, MTech courses and then PhD courses. And we offer the BTech in computer science, information technology, electronic communication, textile, industrial, whatnot. Every technical program is being offered. The institute has taken many initiatives, and it is the result of these initiatives of faculty, staff, and the students that the institute is now in the top technical institution in the northern India. We have been doing fairly good and exceedingly good in the recent any kind of rankings, ratings which are coming up, and more is expected to come. Regarding this course, as I've been telling you, the design and development of textile is the key to innovate, and the innovation is actually adding new knowledge. And adding new knowledge, you can either research it, you can either publish it, or you can take that to the next higher level by introducing some product based on that new knowledge. Textile design is a practice which has evolved to become an industry integral to other disciplines as well, woven print design, embroidery, and surface embellishment are the core textile areas, and together impart an extensive and versatile training for the student. The textile design offers ample opportunity to students to create, experiment, and innovate with material. It builds upon the integration of creative forces of design with textile technology, and also keeps in mind the historical, social, and cultural context in which the designers work today. Alongside, there should also be emphasis on learning specialized software in order to explore digital and non-traditional approach to design, fabric structure, and surfaces. As you know, simulation and emulation, these are the methods which create certain environments which doesn't exist. You doesn't require raw material, you doesn't require anything. You can create the fibers or any other design on a computer system, and even you can create its performance indices, characteristics, and those performance characteristics can be checked online with these softwares, and then it gives you exceedingly good knowledge about how the fiber will look after when it has been designed. So these things actually will be able to help you in designing something on a computer system and then porting it to actual design. So I think the experts has been drawn from nationally renowned and internationally renowned institutions, and they will be able to give you insight. So I request all the participants to take best advantage of the galaxy of experts who have been invited to interact. Atal Academy is a very good initiative of AICT, and it has been directed by the Honorable Education Minister. So under this, if on an average we train 60-70 participants, then you can think of the scale. There are around going to be 1,500, 600 such courses into 70, 80. This is the reach of Atal. I think this is the worldwide largest program of teaching and training online, which exists in our country. So I appreciate efforts of Atal Academy. Appreciate the efforts of Department of Textile, Professor Midda, Dr. Monica, taking this initiative. During this pandemic time, I would again pray to the Almighty that He should bless the earth now and eradicate this COVID-19. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you very much, sir, for your kind words and the encouragement that you have given to all of us, as always. So this brings us to the end of the inaugural session. And we have our first session, which will commence from 11:30, and Professor Apurva Dras from IIT Delhi will be our first expert who will be delivering the lecture on clothing comfort. Thank you all for joining in for the inaugural function.
We can announce here that
Yes.
39 FDPs are being jointly inaugurated today by AICT, and the link for that has already been shared to the participants also, to the speakers also, and it will start at 11 up to 11:30, and all of those who are interested, they can join that inaugural session also, and after that we'll start with our first session at 11:30.
Okay, that's going to be good.
So
Great.
everybody can note that.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yes,
Thank you,
ma'am.
sir.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you.